Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your questions about growth marketing, what it is, how it works, and why it's a smart strategy for growing your business. Let's take a look. What is growth marketing? Growth marketing is a strategic, data-driven approach focused on sustainable growth. It optimizes every stage of the customer journey, from acquisition to retention, to deliver measurable results and long-term success. How does growth marketing differ from traditional marketing? Traditional marketing usually focuses on the top of the funnel, like brand awareness or lead generation. Growth marketing goes further. It tracks the entire journey, using data to improve conversion rates, boost retention, and drive continuous engagement. What are some growth marketing tactics? Some of the most effective tactics include A/B testing, funnel optimization, targeted advertising, content marketing, and in-depth data analysis, all designed to maximize acquisition, retention, and revenue. Who can benefit from growth marketing? Growth marketing is great for startups looking to scale, small businesses wanting smarter strategies, and enterprises aiming to optimize their performance across every channel. If growth is your goal, this is your strategy. Ready to grow smarter and faster? Let's build your strategy together. Reach out to Ferrer Digital Marketing, or check out the next video in this playlist to explore more ways we help businesses succeed. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.